Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. If you need a family house in Luana Housing Scheme St. Elizabeth, this house is perfect for you. This house is located in a quiet area in a development close to Black River Town Center and all major amenities. Here, you'll find solace in a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house with an additional income earning suite at basement level and additional storage. Beaches are just minutes away and can be accessed any day of the week. Great property for investment and land area of 4,346 square feet. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, workshop area which is detached, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, central location, easy access to Black River Town Center, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, level lot, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 21 million or US $135.5 thousand. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.